Good, beautiful afternoon to you. Right now we are currently in the gorgeous country of Rock Creek. Check that out. Pretty friggin' awesome. On our way up to go fish Rock Creek, which by the way is not a creek at all, it's a friggin' river, for those wondering. Got some sweet cabins over there though, check that out. Really, really excited. Easter day. Whoa, I wonder if it's 10 miles an hour. Stay tuned because we're gonna be at Rock Creek soon. Oh, look at deer. Deer crossing the road. Dang it, Jeff. Where'd he go? Look at them all. Look at them all. Look at, there's like 20 of them. Check that out. Run for your life. Oh, wind, go away. God, I'm cold. Got him. Yeah. I paused that. Let's go. He's a baby, but I don't care. This is how we gotta fish this. Nice. Nice little rainbow on the lightning bug. Come here, buddy. Gorgeous fish. Look at that guy. First fish on Rock Creek of 2022. Thank you. Lightning bug, buddy. I'm gonna go fish it all over the ripple. Oh! Got him. Never mind. Oh, I got the baby. I got another baby. Yeah, you're gonna get off, aren't you? Yeah, you're probably gonna get off. It's okay. This fish is tiny. Alright. Mighty fish of Rock Creek. Actually, I'm gonna take you over here. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm just walking my pet fish. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen. That was awesome. Come here, buddy. Beautiful trout. Yeah, it must be the lightning bug. Look at, I'm walking my pet fish. Come here, fishy. Alright. Hold on. Get a quick blink. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I didn't even know I had a fish on. Alright. There he goes. Fish number 2. Maybe the bite is on here. Yeah, baby. Now them fish are active. Got another whitey. Ah, shit, I don't got my phone on me. I got my GoPro. All right, Stinky. All right. Come here. Alrighty. You ate the crap out of that. It's a good one. Stinky. You like that? Wow, you are friggin' strong. Mwah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, release. You don't even know where to go. I'm so impressed by how many rocks you can catch at Rock Creek. All right, come here. Like, I'm surprised that I caught a rock. They're in here, though. Yeah! Let's go. Oh, that's a good fish, too. Oh, new species. New species. Don't be ugly. Oh, yeah. Freaking A. Oh, my God, that's a nice rainbow. Holy crap. Thank you so much, Rock Creek. All right, now I can go home. Or I won't, because... Wow. Now that is more like it. It's okay. Hey. Listen. Buddy, if you want this hook out of you... Fish is gorgeous. Mwah. Have a good day. Here, get the fly out of you. There he goes. Nice fish. That was a deep cast. Yes! Hell yes. This footage is gonna be so scrambled and so confusing to freaking edit. I don't care. That was epic. I'm stoked. Last spot on my way out, catch my biggest rainbow of the day. Heck yeah. And I left my phone in my car. I caught a freaking hog whitefish and a hog rainbow. Dang. Oh well. See you guys in the car.